3, the first one is I will discuss in basic knowledge about stirrup detail, stirrup and beam. Okay, guys, you can see this is a stirrup, right? And you can see it hooks. These are hooks which are bent with 90-degree. You can see clearly. So guys, this is a wrong method. So this is not the proper method to use the hooks are bent with 90-degree. But this is the proper way. Okay, this is the right way of stirrup to design for beam in domestic or commercial building. You can see the stirrup size is same, but here guys you can see the hooks are bent with 135-degree. So this is the right way. Okay, so this is wrong and this is the right way for stirrup. Okay, the second one is, guys, you can see column rebar. So the column rebar. Okay, so you can see this is the column and the red lines, you can see these are lateral ties. Okay, so you can see, guys, the spacing of lateral ties which is maximum. So this is not the proper way. Okay, so this is the wrong way. What is the right way? The right way is this one. At the bottom and also at the top, the spacing should be minimum, but at the mid, the spacing should be maximum compared to the bottom and top rebars or lateral tie, which is also rings, you can say. Look here, guys, the spacing you can see clearly. Also the top spacing you can see for the lateral ties, but if you come to the mid, so this is maximum compared to this one. So this is the right way. But here this is equally at the bottom, at the top and at the mid. So this is the wrong design of rings or lateral tie, but this is the proper way. Right? Now the third one is lapping. You can see, guys, at the bottom you can see the lapping, so which is provided at the same point. Also you can see the one steel rod is overlapped with another one. So this is the wrong way. What is the right way? Okay, the proper way for lapping. You can see, guys, this is the column and this steel is coming, and here you can see the bend with slope. So again it is going to the downside. Same, look here, guys, you can see. So here is the slope, again it is going to the downside, same like this. Look here, like this. So the other steel rod is going to on this way. So this is the proper way, not this is the proper way. This is the wrong way, this one. Right? So what should be the slope? The slope should be 1:6 for this bend. Then you can overlap one steel rod to another, but the lapping should not be provided at the same point, same like this, but it should be same like this one. So this is the right way and this is the wrong way of lapping. Now, guys, you can see here the fourth one, earthwork excavation for the basement, not on the ground floor, on the basement above 3 meters should be stepped form, not directly. Means you can see the basement. So the basement, if the basement excavation is more than 3 meters, okay, above 3 meters, so provide the stepped excavation, same like this one. This is a kind of cross section. Right? The second one is, guys, you can see cement should be stored in dry place. If there is moisture, okay, so therefore it is not good for the cement. Okay, so the cement should be stored in dry place above minimum 6 inches above the ground level, right? So don't store the cement directly on the ground level, but it should be above minimum 6 inches. Then you can store it. The sixth one is, guys, water used for both, which we are using the water for mixing and also for the curing. So shall be clean. So don't use dirty water. So the water for both mixing and curing shall be clean and free from injurious amount of oils, acids, salts, sugar, and organic materials. So use these kind of waters. So it should be free from anything which I have discussed: oil, acid, salt, sugar, organic materials. Okay, for both mixing and also for the curing, right? The seventh one is for cement test. Remember, the initial sitting time shall not be less than 30 minutes to check its sitting for cement. Okay, so the initial sitting time shall not be less than 30 minutes, right? The eighth one is, guys, lintel thickness should be 15 centimeter. Lintel thickness should be 15 centimeter. How, guys, you can see here. This is the front elevation, and you can see this is the door and this is the window. Above the door and window, we provide here lintel beam. This is lintel beam. So the lintel beam thickness should not be less than 15 centimeters, right? This is the other point. The building height should be normal 315 centimeter or 3.15 meter. Remember this point also. Okay, for the building height, normal 315 centimeter. The last one is water cement ratio decide strength of concrete. So therefore, you should have knowledge what is water cement ratio for different grades of concrete. In different grades of concrete, we have M7, M5, M7.5, M10, M15, M20, M25, etc. So therefore, remember that water cement ratio decides strength of concrete. Okay, when you use less amount of water, so the workability, so it is less workability, but it has more strength. When you increase the water amount, so it can decrease the strength. So these things are directly proportional to each other. When you increase the water, the strength should be decreased. When you decrease the water, so the strength should be increased. Okay, so this is the part 3 in the series of civil engineering basic knowledge which I have discussed in front of you. Hope this video can help you. So you may like this video and you may subscribe this channel to get update for more civil engineering videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.